Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 1732. Find the highest altitude. This problem is simple, but it will teach us an important technique, how to update the current value and the best answer at the same time. Let's understand the logic step by step and solve it in CPP. So here, a biker is going on a road trip. We are given an array called gain. Each element represents the change in the altitude between 2 points. Positive value means the biker goes to the negative, biker goes up, and the negative value means the biker goes down. So the biker starts from an altitude of 0. Our task is to find the highest altitude reached during the trip. So let's look at an example. So here, example 1 is gain minus 5150 minus 7. So it is started from altitude 5, after that minus 5, after that, so the altitude would be minus 5. After that, it gained plus 1, so the altitude becomes minus 4. After that, it gained plus 5, so altitude becomes 1. After that, it gained 0, so the altitude would remain 1. After that, it decreased by minus 7, so the altitude becomes minus 6. So the highest altitude he have reached is 1. So the answer would be 1. So now let's think about the logic. We don't need to store all altitudes. We only need two things. The current altitude, the highest altitude seen so far. So we move through the array, update the current altitude, compare it with the highest altitude, update the answer if needed. That's it. Let's build the code. So first the biker started at altitude 0. So we will give int current altitude. So int current altitude is equals to 0. With that, int highest altitude is equals to 0. Now let's traverse through the gain array. So for int I equals to 0, sorry, so for int I equals to 0, I less than gain dot size I plus plus. Okay, now update the current altitude. So our current altitude, so our current altitude is plus equals to gain I. With that, compare it with the highest altitude. So our highest altitude is equals to max of highest altitude highest altitude and current altitude current altitude. After the loop finishes, we will return the answer. So we will return highest altitude. Now let's see whether it passes the test cases or not. So as you can see, it has passed both the test cases. Now let's submit the answer. So as you can see that it has passed all 80 out of 80 test cases and it has been submitted in LeetCode. With that, it has passed 100% runtime. Now, so here the time complexity would be ON because we are traversing through the array once, and the space complexity would be O1 because we are using only two extra variables. And that's it for the problem. The key idea was to track of the current state and continuously update the best answer. If this explanation helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.